Hello and welcome to the Edu-Leaders show on the Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Ms. Bhatia, owner of Captain's School of Excellence in Fatehgarh, Churian, Gurdaspur, shared her positive experience at the 21st Education Summit. She emphasized the importance of cultural diversity in education and highlighted the challenges of running a school in a remote area, particularly the difficulties in organizing digital workshops and implementing new technologies. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Ms. Bhatia had to say.
So we have with us a very special guest. She is Cherry Bhatia, owner of the Captain's School of Excellence, and it is located in Fatehgarh, Churian. So welcome to the summit, ma'am, and how's your experience being here at the 21st Education Summit?
It's really nice to be, I feel honored to be here because this is the first time I'm experiencing something, event organized by a publisher, because we've been to many events and they're all by the boards like from ICSC or CBS. But this is something really nice on a great big level and something elite which principals would enjoy and cherish. They are taking back a lot for their staff and for their children. Thank you so much.
That was our only motto, to spread the cause of education. And so talking about like today's topic of the event, which we are, talking about enriching the education through cultural diversity. What are your thoughts on it, and how do you think we can, promote cultural diversity among our students?
I have joined your summit little late at maybe 12:30 or 1. So I've not seen the previous events or speeches. But yes, on cultural diversity, I would say it's a really an important topic to be inculcated in students. Why? Because they are being detached from all the cultural activities and plus from their roots. So it's important for this generation to understand that what culture means and how they can promote this through their professions or their education. If it is not, it's not that any adult can only understand this. A child of 6th to 7th class should also understand this, and we should inculcate in our schools, because this is going to lead our country more powerful and more impactful. Thank you.
Absolutely, ma'am. And one more question I would like to ask you about, like, we're talking about students. Let's talk about teachers right now. So, what do you think we can, implement new technology or some workshops or initiatives which you can, benefit the teachers in terms of teaching the students of tomorrow?
Okay, so this is for teachers. Actually, we are running a school in a remote area, so there are many drawbacks which we are facing right now. We've overcome many of them, but still there are plethora of them which we have to overcome. So for the digital things or the workshops, it is in a city, it is really different to conduct anything or to organize anything. And in a rural or a remote area, it takes a lot of pain, lot of hard work and much more efforts to organize something. We do that, but it takes time, and we really do it often. But for the teachers, for students, we have done many much accomplishments all through these 16-20 years through we have opened the school. But for teachers, we are still on in that. We are taking the workshops. We have smart classes. We were the first school in that area, in that rural area, to come up with the smart classes with e-education, and we are still doing that. So.
That's great, ma'am. Absolutely pleasure to hear that, a remote place like Fatehgarh Churia is getting such a wonderful, kind of atmosphere in terms of education. Thank you so much, ma'am, for there.
Thank you so much, and I really feel honored to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for updates on the Edu-Leaders show, featuring inspiring interviews from the education sector.